Hey, second grade, it's Miss Giannino. I'm going to go over the problem of the day today, and I'm actually going to switch over the video to my document camera so y'all can see exactly what I'm doing on my paper. Okay, here we go. Okay, so my problem of the day says, I wrote it on this sticky note so that you could see it too up close. It says Jakhori had 556 stickers. Courtney gave him 225 more stickers. How many stickers does Jakhori have now? Okay, so I'm going to set up my problem of the day just like I would if I was at school. So I would write P-O-D, and then I would write the date, which is April 6th, 2020. Okay, so I can keep my work organized. Then I'm going to look at my problem of the day again. I'm going to read it one more time. It says, Jakhori had 556 stickers. Courtney gave him 225 more stickers. How many stickers does Jakhori have now? Okay, so he had 556 and Courtney gave him 225 more. So he had 556 and he got 225 more from Courtney, which means that we're adding stickers. So my addition problem or my addition equation would be 556 plus 225 equals something. Now I can solve this in many different ways. One way I could solve this is with hundreds, tens, and ones. So I would make a hundreds, tens, and ones chart. And I would draw my first number. So I have 5 hundreds, 5 tens, and 6 ones. And then in my second number, I have 225. So 2 hundreds, 2 tens, and 5 ones. Okay, now when I look across my hundreds, tens, and ones chart, I see that I have a 10 frame. That's full right here. So I'm going to bundle it up, cross it out, move it over, and draw it in the tens because this is a full 10. This is a 10, so it belongs over here. Now I can add up or count up my number. So I have 1 in the ones place, I have 5, 6, 7, 8 in the tens place, and I have 7 in the hundreds place. So my answer would be 781. I can also solve this with a second strategy if I wanted to check my work. I could use the break apart strategy. So I would rewrite my equation to keep my work organized. And then I would break apart my numbers. So I would break apart, I'm gonna try and focus this a little bit more. Okay, so I would break apart 556 into 500 plus 50 plus 6. And I would break apart my 225 into 200 plus 20 plus 5. And I would add up my numbers using place value. 500s and 200s is 700s, which is 700. 5 tens and 2 tens equals 7 tens or 70. And 6 and 5, I know that's 11. Now when I look across my new equation, I have more than 10 here. I have 11, so I have to break it apart. I could break it into 10 and 1, that's 11. And then I can add my 10 to the tens place. So my new number, I'm gonna pull down the 700. 70 and 10 is 80. And then I'm left with this 1. So 780 and 1 equals 781. And look at that. My numbers match. Those are just 2 ways to solve. You could also use the number line to solve this one, but these are the 2 strategies that I'm going to show you today. All right, let me see if I can switch this back over so I can say goodbye to you. Let your teacher know if you got this problem right or wrong, and if you got it wrong, see if you can find where your mistake was and check your work. All right, I'll talk to you soon, second grade. Bye.